guys, it's Martin. Keep in touch. I want to show you something. If you're using a console every day extensively, this how it can look like after 3, 2 or even 1 year if using a lot. So this caused the overheating issues, dropping the performance, etc. So we've got a special offer because we've got a few calls within 1 week actually for the servicing, which we call spa. It's £45 only, and if you book your time slot, it will be done during 1 day, so it's fast turnarounds. But it's only from now, it's 29th of June for the 10 days, and it's done. If you need to replace the HDMI port because there is no connection with the TV or any other problems with your console, just let us know. We can do the diagnostic for £20 only, and if you decide to proceed with the repair, the diagnostic fee is included in this price. So call us or contact through our website. Cheers!